is the best view in all of Dolomites. Wow.
So, in this video, I will talk about the most scenic hike I've ever done in the Dolomites. The hike itself is about 13 kilometers long and takes around 7 hours to complete at moderate pace. And it offers one of the most stunning views of the Dolomites region. So, let's get into it.
Today I was doing some research online and I ended up finding out that this trail over here, 437 to Croda da Lago, is the one that is one of the most scenic places to go to in this region. So the whole plan is to actually explore this area, and I'll let you know how that goes.
I drove up to Ponte di Rucurto along the road 638 from Cortina. It took 15 minutes and offered some lovely views.
So lovely weather, really nice views, of course. You guys can hear, I suppose this water is coming down from the lake, but I'm not sure whether it is. But it's just such a beautiful, beautiful day, and it was surrounded by absolute beauty. And the plan is to kind of enjoy ourselves as much as possible. Kind of same as like Lago di Sorapis, basically. I'll show you the views. No, not there. Come from the other side. I think that'll be better. Come on. I think it's clean. Very clean. Glacial water. Bloody good, very, very good. My amazing, beautiful friend and cousin, I'd say, well, he has just said something absolutely ridiculous to me anyway. I don't know, I just want to get this on camera. So he says, what did he say? So I just asked him a question, why is he hiking in jeans? Why do you hike in jeans, Hassan?
Find them more comfortable.
Okay.
And they're more rugged than jogging bottoms.
More rugged, which means that when you fall down, they're not going to rip. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Interesting.
They're not gonna rip. If they get caught on a rock, they're not going to be affected. But jogging bottoms are lighter. They do give you a bit of a boost, but they rip if they get wet.
Yeah.
I mean, it depends on your body shape.
Oh, fair enough. That's true as well. Okay, fine. I suppose that's one way to reason with me, but I like something flexible, something that is more open. That's why I'm wearing these bad boys, and they're quite. What about flexibility? Well, technically, you're quite lanky, so yeah, I suppose.
I mean, also, when you're running past like nettles and grass hedges.
Oh yeah.
Sometimes your legs get irritated. You know what's spitting you.
That's true.
But with jeans, there's no chance of anything poking through.
I had not imagined that you had thought this through. That's amazing. Bloody hell. Jeez.
This is that one hike that you can do any time of the year, but I read on forums that the best month to do this hike is actually in October because of the autumn season and the beauty it presents itself with.
I don't know whether you guys wonder things. When I'm walking around, I do wonder things. So for example, I was wondering, what's the name of that mountain there? I'm sorry you guys can't see it properly, so let me show you. Oh, there you go. What is the name of that beautiful looking mountain? As you recall watching my other video on Lagazui, if you haven't, I'll put it up here somewhere. Check that out. I actually made a video on this mountain. Well, I had a drone shot of this mountain basically, This is called Tofane de Mezzo, and it's a beautiful, beautiful. It's basically like a mountain range that starts from one end and goes to the other end, and really beautiful, amazing looking peak, and especially from far away where I'm standing right now, it looks even more beautiful. But you can't recognize it because I was on the other side. So it's important to have these things in life. It's important to know some things.
On this hike, you'll also get the opportunity to see Cinque Torri, the 5 towers of Dolomites.
This is the best view in all of Dolomites. Wow. Dude, oh my God, that looks nuts. Yo, I have to take a panorama here. And there's Cortina right there, Cortina D'Ampezzo, if I can say it properly, but bloody hell, that looks amazing. The whole bloody mountain range, man, that's crazy. And it looks unbelievable. Dude, look at those towers. I think these are those towers. I can't remember the name of those towers. They really need to put something here so we know what the hell we're looking at. But like, wow, this is amazing. Those towers are supposed to be one of the, I think it's Sadico or something. I can't remember the names of the towers. We'll have to check those out. I spoke to a very nice gentleman right now that actually went through all of these peaks with me, because obviously I'm not very equipped to name them. I think that side is called Navulo, and then that's one of the other Navulos. And then let me show you from here actually, because obviously I'm here at the really beautiful place and I just want to spend as long as possible kind of trying to remember the names of these peaks. That one there is called Cinque Torri, where I was before, so you've seen the video. That one's Tofana Mezzo. I think you already know that as well. All of that is Mezzo. You get to this side and I think that's Monte Cristallo. That's Monte Cristallo, and the one right behind me there, that's Lago di Sorapis. No, sorry, that's Sorapis, the mountain, but Lago di Sorapis is on the other side, he told me. So again, stunning views, beautiful scenery, and you just can't get enough of it. Basically, you can never ever get bored of this place. And this view here, I would always remember, it's called Val Negra, and I suppose Negra means black, and it's at 2,048 meters up above sea level. So yeah, I mean, what a view. I mean, honestly, you just can't take enough. I just want to stay here all day long and just take in the view. My friend, and I should say my cousin, has actually gone the other way. It's been a while, so I'm going to head back and I'm going to join him.
So after 3 hours of consistent hiking, I eventually got to Croda da Lago, and it was absolutely unbelievable. After taking in this stunning view, I decided to head to the other side of the mountain. So stay tuned guys, the part 2 of this video is coming.
So the plan is to follow this route right there.
Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content just like this.